Okay, I'm at Chokeless Dairy in Thorpe, Wisconsin, doing a video of our mats going in. Okay, screeding with a 2x4 screed board, preparing the grade. As you can see, the boys got a level right on the screed board. We're using a 2x4 screed. That way that puts the sand 3.5 inches below the top of the curb. The mats are 1.5 inches thick. So once they're laid in place, that leaves a nominal 2 inches of sand on top of the mat, which creates approximately a 50% sand savings. So the guys have leveled this whole row. Looks really nice. They do a great job here at Chokeless Dairy. And they're located in Thorpe, Wisconsin. So we're just about done with this row. And then it's time to install the mats on this row too. No, some mats require a 4x4 treated post be buried below that brisket, in front of that brisket, and the mats have to be screwed to that 4x4. We don't do that. We just prepare the grade, lay the mats on grade, lock them together, cover them with sand. No zip ties, no fasteners, no tools, nothing like that required. No lumber. So that's how we prepare the grade. Okay, now we're at the stage where the row has all been leveled, the sand's all been leveled, and now we're ready to install the mats. So the guys are simply taking the mats off the pallet. They're squirting the edge, the leading edge of the interlocks with Dawn's dish detergent and warm water. That's a whole lot easier, isn't it? We learned that from a guy in Michigan. Another use for Dawn's soap. Yeah, it still makes the employees a lot happier. These guys are doing a great job, Bill. I guess you have. So this is how the mats go in. You don't need to zip tie them together or anything. Just lay them in there, interlock them. And once the row's in, then we'll bring in some sand. Pretty simple installation. Here we are, squirting the edge. Just pounding the edges, or pounding the interlocks in. That's a friction fit interlock. We like that big interlock.
Looks like it goes pretty. Right, you got a couple guys with you. I mean, the biggest thing is getting the sand out and getting it screeded. Once you get right. That, it ain't so bad. You know? Yeah. But that's the hardest part. Once you start laying them, it goes in pretty simple. It's not too shabby.